Hello everyone and welcome to this new and first video on my channel. I am Pandro, a Discord server developer. Not the most experienced one, just know the basics and a little bit more. First of all, I want to ask you guys to just subscribe, of course, and leave a like if you like this video and if it's a good tutorial. If you have more questions, you can always join my own Discord server. It's pretty empty right now because, of course, it's my first video, but here's a sneak peek. So definitely join it. The link will be in the description. But for now, let's get into the video. I am going to show you guys how you create a custom invite link without boosting. First of all, you of course need to create your Discord server and set it all up a little bit. Just like I've done with my own server. I'm going to use the server to show you how you can add your own server to SNCX. SCNX, sorry. As you can see, test server, that's the one that I created. So I'm just gonna show you how to add it to SCNX. First of all, you need to, of course, press your server, and then you can read the terms of service and privacy notice if you want that. I'm not going to do that right now, and I'm just going to check this box like that and add server to SCNX. I'm going to skip this too for now. These are a lot other things that I will make tutorials for in the future. First of all, you're gonna skip all this and just go over to settings immediately. I'm going to switch to my main server now, just so that it's more easy to explain. My own server, settings. Apparently I've already had one, so I'm just going to delete it so that it's easy for you to see. You're just gonna press get started, and you will get your own link like that. I am going to change the name, and I'm going to remove all these numbers at the end. It just looks a little bit more clean. You can also choose a channel where the invite will lead. I'm going to lead it to server info because it's the most important channel, I think. Just press save and then open link, and here you go. Of course, already launched. Normally I am now in info if I open my Discord, and that's true. So our link definitely works. If it doesn't, join my Discord server and contact me there. I can help you further. So yeah, you can customize your stuff a little bit. You can also just copy it, and I am going to go to my info message right now and change this one. No, not that one. This one. It's the same, I think, but that doesn't matter. I have apparently already created one and forgot about it. I'm also going to change it here so you can just share that link with everyone you want. Doesn't have a limit on usage or anything like that. So yeah, very useful tool. Don't need any boosts, and just a very good tool of SCNX. Definitely recommend that you use it if you don't have enough boosts for your own link. But that was already it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next tutorial.